The universe is dying. It's a statement that sounds dramatic, almost unthinkable, but it's true. Every star you see in the night sky, every galaxy spinning in the vastness, is slowly moving toward an inevitable fate. The cosmos, as immense and ancient as it is not immune to time. But how will it end? Will it fade quietly into darkness, or will it go out in a spectacular cosmic event? The end of the universe is one of the greatest mysteries in science, and it's a question that has fascinated humanity for generations. Scientists have 5 mind-bending theories, each more incredible than the last. These ideas challenge our understanding of physics, time, and even existence itself. From the dramatic to the subtle, each scenario paints a different picture of the universe's final moments. The night sky may look eternal, but it's an illusion. The cosmos is dynamic, evolving, and destined for a final chapter. Stars are born, live out their lives, and die. Galaxies collide and merge. Even the fabric of space itself is changing, stretching, and warping over time. This isn't just a story of endings. It's a journey into the very nature of reality, space, and time. By exploring how the universe might end, we also uncover what it means to exist at all, and how everything we know is connected to the fate of the cosmos. We'll explore these 5 scenarios together, using simple analogies and stunning visuals. Whether you're a seasoned science lover or just curious about the universe, you'll find something to spark your imagination. Imagine it as our own spaceship of the imagination, traveling to the farthest reaches of time to witness the universe's possible finales. So, buckle up. We're about to embark on a journey that stretches from the present day to the very end of everything. Our exploration of the end of everything begins now. The answers may surprise you, and the journey will change the way you see the universe forever. Our first stop on this journey through cosmic endings is the heat death, or Big Freeze, the most widely accepted, yet perhaps the most melancholic theory about the universe's fate. It's not a dramatic explosion or a sudden collapse, but a slow, inevitable fading away. The universe began as an unimaginably hot and dense point, erupting in the Big Bang. Since then, it's been expanding relentlessly, stretching space itself and cooling as it grows. Galaxies drift farther apart, and the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of creation, grows ever fainter. Stars, those brilliant cosmic engines, are the universe's beacons of light and warmth. They burn their nuclear fuel, fusing atoms and radiating energy into the cold, vast void, creating the elements that make up everything we know. But even stars have lifespans. Their fuel is finite, and over trillions upon trillions of years, every last star will exhaust its reserves, flicker, and die. Some will explode in spectacular supernovae, while others will quietly fade away, leaving behind only their remnants. What remains after the stars are gone? The universe will be littered with black holes, neutron stars, and cold white dwarfs, stellar corpses adrift in an ever-darkening cosmos. These remnants are the echoes of a once vibrant universe, yet even these leftovers are not eternal. Black holes, once thought to be forever, will slowly evaporate through Hawking radiation, vanishing over unimaginable timescales. And if protons themselves are unstable, even the atoms that make up matter will eventually decay, leaving behind only a thin mist of subatomic particles. In the end, the universe will reach maximum entropy, a state of perfect equilibrium. There will be no gradients, no energy left to do work, no heat, no light, and no structure. Space will be unimaginably cold, hovering just above absolute zero. No complexity, no life, no movement, just a silent, eternal darkness. The universe will be a vast, empty void with nothing to mark the passage of time. The Big Freeze isn't a violent end, but a gradual, chilling descent into nothingness. It's a cosmic winter that never ends, a slow fading of all that once was. The cosmic symphony that began with the Big Bang will fade, note by note, into unending silence. The last star will go out, and the universe will become a place of endless night. In the end, the universe won't end with a bang, but with a whisper. A cosmos that has simply run out of steam, drifting quietly into the infinite dark. Now, imagine the opposite, the Big Crunch, a cosmic U-turn driven by gravity. If there's enough matter, gravity could halt expansion and reverse it. The universe would stop growing, then begin collapsing in on itself. Galaxies would rush together, merging in a chaotic demolition derby. As the universe shrinks, it heats up. Background radiation intensifies, and the night sky glows. Stars and planets would be torn apart, matter vaporized. In the final moments, Everything is crushed into a single hot, dense point. A singularity just like the one before the Big Bang. The universe ends as it began, in a cosmic firestorm, a final, all-encompassing crunch. Next, the most violent ending, the Big Rip, driven by dark energy. The universe's expansion is accelerating thanks to dark energy, a mysterious force pushing everything apart. If dark energy grows stronger over time, expansion could become unstoppable. Galaxies would be torn from each other, then stars from galaxies, then planets from stars. In the final moments, even atoms would be ripped apart. The very fabric of space-time would be shredded. The universe would end in a cataclysmic rip, everything down to the smallest particles torn asunder. Now let's consider a truly insidious and mind-bending possibility: vacuum decay, also known as the false vacuum catastrophe. This is not just science fiction, but a real scenario that physicists have contemplated, and it's perhaps the most unpredictable threat imaginable. Our universe might not be in its most stable state. Instead, it could be trapped in what's called a false vacuum, a temporary, precarious condition that only appears stable from our perspective, but is actually teetering on the edge of a deeper reality. At any moment, a random quantum fluctuation could trigger a tiny bubble of true vacuum somewhere in the vastness of space. This bubble would represent a region where the universe has shifted to a more stable, lower energy state. Inside this bubble, the very fabric of reality would be rewritten. The laws of physics as we know them, forces, particles, even the building blocks of matter, could be completely different, making our existence impossible. The terrifying part is that this bubble would expand outward at the speed of light, devouring everything in its path. There would be no warning, no way to detect it coming, and no chance to escape or prepare. One moment, everything would seem perfectly normal. Life would go on, planets would orbit, stars would shine. The next instant, reality itself would be overwritten, and everything familiar would vanish without a trace. The universe we know, with all its galaxies, stars, and life, would be instantly erased and replaced by something utterly alien, something we can't even begin to imagine or comprehend. And perhaps the most unsettling part of all, this could happen at any moment without warning, and we would never see it coming. The ultimate blindside lurking in the very fabric of reality itself. Our final theory offers hope, the Big Bounce. What if the end is just a new beginning? The universe could be part of an endless cycle, expanding, collapsing, and bouncing back. As the universe collapses in a big crunch, a new force could trigger a rebound, a new Big Bang. Each cycle births a new universe with new stars, galaxies, and possibilities. The end of one cosmos becomes the start of the next. It's a cosmic heartbeat: expansion, collapse, bounce, repeat. The Big Bounce replaces a single ending with an eternal cycle of destruction and rebirth. We may never witness the end, but by exploring these theories, we glimpse the universe's deepest mysteries. These scenarios are more than cosmic horror stories. They're the product of human curiosity and scientific discovery. The fact that we can even imagine these endings connects us to the cosmos in profound ways. Which finale fascinates or terrifies you most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey, like and subscribe for more Science Made Simple. Keep looking up.